I'm sorry I busted out like that. I'm sorry I got so angry. I'm so sorry. You know, when something has built up in you for so long and you know you want to let it out, like you just go gaga, you go extra. So I'm very sorry I lost my cool. And I quickly want to address something. Have been seeing comments like, why is she just coming out now? Why is she just talking now? I kept my cool since last year because my man said I shouldn't talk. I kept my cool since last year because my children said I shouldn't talk. Abe, thank you. I am very temperamental. That is why I just like to keep my madness in my house. I don't take it out with me. I don't take it to my fans. And why I'm talking now is because I saw that this is not ending anytime soon. Like every time I make a post, those people come to my page to call me those unprintable names. Ajeku Cute Abiola, Ìyàwó Cute Abiola, kinikan, àgbàyà ni ẹ́, ọmọ inú ẹ ló ń toast. Sure, you understand? So, and I feel like, Biodun, you need to address this because the internet, they say, never forgets. And I see people like, when you know that you didn't do it, why didn't you talk? What do you people want? If we don't talk, it's a problem. When we talk, it's a problem. So what do you people want? I didn't talk since last year. Some people are like, you should have spoken out. You should have said this. I mean, your silence means consent. Consent, sorry. And now I am talking out. I'm speaking out. Some people are saying that you waited for too long. No. I talk when I am ready to talk. I thought the bullying is going to stop. But when it didn't stop, I decided to talk. And after ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo ti sọ yìí pé kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀, gbogbo ẹnu tó mu omi tó ń jẹ ata tí ó bá parọ́ mọ́ mi.